Hi everyone, this is Neil. I'm just doing a little bit of a background tour for everyone for the upcoming new channel on YouTube called Data+Train. So you can just zoom in a little bit, we kind of see that new logo. This is the back kind of the screen, but the most important stuff is gonna be done in the studio. So this has just been set up. You see I've got kind of all my software configured, ready to go for tomorrow's, actually later today, because it's kind of 1 AM in the morning. We're going to be doing a session at 3 PM UK time or 2 PM UTC, and I'm going to be doing my first Data+Train YouTube video. This one's going to be on the DA100 exam. So as a Microsoft certified trainer, I'm going to be showing people what this exam is about. Here I'm just kind of showcasing some of my new kit, my new setup. I've got my new mixing desk in the Rodecaster Pro, so very cool piece of kit. Got my new Sony camera, an A6100 with a Sigma lens. I've got the vMix software all ready to go, along with all of the kind of bits and pieces I need. And this is my standing desk as well, so I'll just show you very quickly. If I kind of just put the camera down for a second in this position, and a quick lift, and here I now have my standing desk, and I can kind of move the mic etc. into position. I can readjust the camera height. I won't do that right now, but I can get everything lined up, and I've also got my lights and everything really cool and ready to go. So this is where I'll be delivering my YouTube channel from. That's Data+Train, and it's all about certification, about data products, learning how to use those. So the Microsoft certifications, the DA100, the DP100, DP200, all these certifications that I teach on a weekly basis. So gonna hopefully see you tomorrow, and for other videos I'm going to be launching in July and August, and it's all pretty cool. I'll see you soon.